In the box, 8-foot 3.5 mm male-to-male stereo audio cable transmits audio in stereo format. Device compatibility. Works with any device equipped with standard 3.5 mm audio jack or aux-in port. Convenient. Connects compatible devices like a smartphone, MP3 player, or tablet to a car stereo or portable speaker. Secure fit. Beveled step-down design for a secure connection. Clear sound. Corrosion-resistant gold-plated plugs for reliable, static-free performance. Top reviews from the United States. The right size plugs and plenty of cable. I used to get this kind of quality from Radio Shack. Good to see even an Amazon Basic product is as good or better. I needed a source of a made cord and 1/8-inch plug to repair a couple pairs of earbuds whose plugs are shorting out, and trying to get just the plug is not worth the hassle. This $5 cable was the cheaper option, believe it or don't. I needed only 2 plugs and a length of cable for each, not 17. The plugs look good quality and have the right size to plug into my device and through the case hole and still reach. When basic is this good, it's actually not so basic.